Hi guys, Shelly here with the Gray Wren Nest. Today I'm going to take you on a journey with me to our first craft show. A craft show that we are actually in as a vendor. You'll get to see us set up and selling to friends and neighbors, and hopefully we have a successful day. In fact, one of the items is this shirt. Remember I posted this on the one of the videos already? I'm sure you're going to enjoy today, and I'll show you some of the other shirts I've made along with all of our leather goods and baby items. So follow along and let's have a great day. We are at the dairy on Fulton Creek in Radnor, Ohio for the craft show today. Haven't been here very long, and so far I've sold a crossbody leather purse and one of the upcycled shirts similar to this. So let me show you some of our things. If there's something you see that you like, I can custom make them, or you can put a reserve on this and we can sell through you know, Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, credit card, you name it, we have it set up. And just message me and be happy to work with you. But here's what we have so far. I'm going to turn the camera around. It's kind of hard to see because we're in a barn that is not very well lit. It's a beautiful day outside. It's about 60 degrees, I'd say. No, the sun's out, it's warm, and we're doing really well. Real pleased. So here we have our leather mini wallets for women, and it does have an inside with credit card holders. This little one holds 6 credit cards. It has a coin pouch on the inside, cloth on the inside, and then these larger wallets have 12 slots and a coin purse on the inside. Different colors. This one's dark gray, tan. This one's gray, orange. That one's another gray one. These wallets here, the bigger ones, are $60. These little ones are $40. Down here, the different cosmetic bags. I'll let you take a look at the colors we have. I think they're coming across the video a little better. Those are $25. And these 2 little ones here fit our cell phones, and they have a wristlet. So these are more for carrying around, and these are more for going inside your purse. We have tassels, leather tassels for $8. And then down here we have leather purses. The smaller leather purse is $125, and they're raw on the inside, but they do have a pocket. So it's raw with a pocket, all of them. Different colors. That one's more of a still black, still gray black. That green is gorgeous. It's an army green. And then the beautiful sea blue. Over here I have some more. These are the 125s. That's the little smaller version. This is our popular color, most popular color. And then down here I have a bigger version. Those are $150. Like I said, they're raw on the inside and they have a pocket. And then we have crossbody purses here. So we have blue. This one is more of a turquoise. Orange. No, this one's a brick red, and this one's orange. Can you see the difference? Now they're also raw on the inside, and the pocket is on the outside. And they also have different straps, and the straps are interchangeable. You can have leather, a leather strap. black or brown, and then you can interchange them with a cloth strap. I also have one more purse of this left. This one's labor intensive, so it's a little bit more. It's $180, but it also has a 2 pockets on the inside with a waterproof lining. It has a zipper on this side, a zipper on this side, and then the back can be a sling, or you can unzip it and it'll be a backpack. You can put the buckle from here over to here and be a backpack. So it's a like a sling off the back or a backpack. Then up here we have men's wallets. And here's a vertical men's wallet. Fits 6 credit cards. Different colors. And these are little coin pouches. They are the old-fashioned kind that go like this. So the smaller size is $8. The bigger size is $10. And they're all different colors. Down here we have gray Wren cups. We have coasters that have different sayings on them, and these are leather. And leather eyeglass cases. And then the newest addition to our lineup this fall are shirts. And I do have some customer shirts that I'm making this weekend that are very similar to these. So I can make them custom if you give me different colors and what you would like on the front. If I have to redigitize the front, then that is an additional $15. But if you already pick a style that I have, it's no problem. But this shirt here, this is $40. These are all $40 that I'm showing you. Aren't they cute? It's called reverse applique. And then I have flannel reverse applique with a sweatshirt, and these are $50. These are my most popular sellers. I have several, like I said, custom orders that I'm making this weekend. Once again, these are $50. And here's one more. We are also doing designer jean jackets. The people that know me, I've been wearing a jean jacket to school lately that I put denim and lace on. And then this denim has this lace. And these are $75. And this size is it says extra large. This is a unique one. This is a Coca-Cola. This says Coca-Cola in different languages. And it is a size large. And it has a hood. And this is the back. And then this one is an upcycled quilt, and it is $75. And here's the back. So if anything interests you, don't hesitate to send me a message or a phone call, and I'd be happy to work with you. And I'm actually wearing one of the shirts.